Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to block email in Gmail. So first of all, open your Gmail account and in inbox, select the email that you want to block. For example, this email from Google. Click the three dot in the top right corner, then click block Google. Block this email. Click this block and confirm by clicking this block button. So now this email already blocked, and the email that sent by this email will be go to the spam folder. And to unblock the sender, we can click this unblock sender button, and also we can move this email to spam. And yeah, that's all to block email in Gmail. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Bye.